I'm going to show you exactly how 3 investments completely changed my financial life. Now here's one of my biggest winners. Number 1, Innodata, a bet on the future of data. In 2020, Innodata was trading for around $2.23 per share. Most investors probably saw Innodata as a dusty old content services company. I saw an early infrastructure play for the AI revolution. Why? A value disconnect trading at 2.25 times sales while still not profitable, some sticky clients and expanding margins. But in came the strategic pivot, moving into AI data annotation, machine learning training, and digital transformation. There were macro tailwinds with data becoming the new oil for AI and automation. I believe they were building the pipelines for the data and AI economy, while others chased the hype names. We liked the fundamentals and bought in. From $2.23 to $40.07 in 5 years, 10,000 became 179,000. The lesson here is being early and using basic valuation as a safety net along with absolute conviction. Case study number 2, Microsoft at $50 in 2016. A bet on utility, dominance, and luck. In 2016, Microsoft was seen as past its prime. I didn't buy the hype. From $50 to $522 in 9 years, $10,000 became $104,400, not including dividends. Now let me show you the investment that turned my grocery cart into a stock rocket. Case study number 3, Sprouts Farmers Market at $20. A bet on health-conscious consumers. Post-pandemic, I noticed more shoppers in Sprouts. Organic sections were growing, private label was expanding. The market thought Sprouts was a low-growth grocer. I saw a margin-expanding premium segment growth story with buybacks to boost EPS. From $20 to $182 peak, $10,000 became $91,000.